In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google AdSense customer ID. This seemingly small piece of information can be incredibly important, especially when you're trying to troubleshoot issues, need support, or integrate with other Google products. The process is quite straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you don't hit any snags along the way. So whether you're a seasoned AdSense user or new to the platform, this guide will be beneficial. First up, let's head over to the Google AdSense website. You can do this by typing adsense.google.com/start into your web browser's address bar. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with the option to sign in or start your AdSense journey. Since we're here to find our customer ID, click on the Sign In button. This brings us to the first checkpoint in our quest. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your AdSense account. It's important that you sign in with the correct account to access your specific AdSense details. Type in your email and then proceed to the next step. After entering your email, it's time to enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any unnecessary login errors. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, just use the Forgot Password utility to reset it. Once you've successfully entered your password, you'll gain access to your AdSense dashboard, a treasure trove of insights and settings. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the AdSense homepage by clicking on the home icon or navigating directly to www.google.com/adsense/new/u/0/pub-your-pubid/onboarding. This URL will bring you to the heart of AdSense, your dashboard. Here you can oversee your earnings, manage ads, and access a wealth of analytical data. Let's move further into the settings from here. Look for the settings option. It's in this area where you can adjust your AdSense experience, from payment settings to personal preferences. The settings menu is your gateway to customization and account management, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with the options available here. Once in settings, you'll want to find and click on Account Information. This section houses your personal and account specific details, not least of which is your AdSense customer ID. The customer ID is unique to your account and serves as an identifier in communications with Google and for integrating with other services. There you have it. Within the account information section, you'll see your Google AdSense customer ID clearly displayed. It's a good idea to make a note of this ID or save it in a secure location for future reference. To summarize, finding your Google AdSense customer ID is a simple process that involves logging into your AdSense account, navigating through the settings, and identifying your account details. This ID is crucial for many aspects of account management and should be kept handy. A couple of additional tips before we wrap up. Ensure that you're signing in from a secure and private connection to prevent any security issues. Regularly update your password and utilize two-factor authentication for an added layer of security on your Google account. That's all for today's guide on how to find your Google AdSense customer ID. Whether you're troubleshooting, seeking support, or integrating your AdSense with other services, this little piece of information is your key to moving forward. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.